I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 308 in the Tech Edition specification. So this vehicle's packed full of great features. You get park assist, blind spot detection, lane keeping assistance. There's this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels. You get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.